Have you ever wondered how the rise of artificial intelligence might affect the safety and health of workers worldwide? Imagine a world where robots tirelessly toil away in extreme conditions, sparing human workers from exposure to harmful substances and physical stress. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but the reality of today's workplaces, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly significant role. AI has the potential to revolutionize worker safety in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. One of the most groundbreaking applications of AI is its ability to eliminate hazards by removing humans from dangerous situations. Robots, guided by AI, can operate in environments that are too risky for humans, such as those with high temperatures, toxic substances, or extreme pressures. By doing so, they can significantly reduce the risk of stress, overwork, and musculoskeletal injuries among workers. But the role of AI in ensuring worker safety is not limited to replacing humans in hazardous tasks. AI is also a powerful tool for predictive analytics, which can be used to identify conditions that may lead to hazards. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can spot patterns and make predictions about potential risks, such as fatigue, repetitive strain injuries, or exposure to toxic substances. This allows for earlier interventions and can drastically reduce the incidence of work-related injuries and illnesses. Moreover, AI can help streamline workplace safety and health workflows by automating repetitive tasks. This not only reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries, but also frees up time for workers to engage in more complex and meaningful tasks. AI can also enhance safety training programs through virtual reality, providing workers with a safe and immersive learning environment. So, artificial intelligence holds significant potential in creating safer workplaces. But what happens when we delve deeper? As we move forward in the digital age, it's clear that AI will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of worker safety. However, like any technology, it comes with its own set of challenges and risks, which we'll explore in the next scene. Stay tuned to discover the hazards of AI and how we can manage them to ensure the safety and health of workers in the age of AI. Consider a case where AI was used to streamline workplace safety and health workflows. Picture a busy factory floor, buzzing with machinery and a bustling workforce. In this environment, safety is paramount, and yet the risk of human error persists. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes in. In this particular case, a company decided to implement AI to automate some repetitive tasks. Workers who were previously engaged in monotonous, repetitive jobs were now free from the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Not only did this increase their overall productivity, but it also significantly reduced instances of musculoskeletal injuries, a common occurrence in such work environments. But the company didn't stop there. They also utilized AI to enhance their safety training programs. They developed a virtual reality training module powered by AI to simulate potential safety hazards. Workers could then practice their response to these simulated threats in a safe and controlled environment. This interactive and immersive training approach was found to be far more effective than traditional methods, leading to a better prepared workforce and fewer on-site accidents. Finally, the company implemented an AI system designed to detect and report near misses. These are incidents that could have resulted in injury or damage, but were narrowly avoided. By analyzing these near-miss events, the AI system was able to identify patterns and common factors, providing valuable insights to help prevent similar incidents in the future. So what was the outcome? The company saw a marked improvement in worker safety. There was a notable reduction in workplace accidents, near-miss incidents were addressed more proactively, and workers reported feeling safer and more confident in their roles. Yet, it's important to remember that while AI can bring about significant improvements, it is not a panacea. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can greatly enhance workplace safety, but it must be implemented thoughtfully, bearing in mind its potential drawbacks and the need for adequate controls. In this case, the use of AI made a significant difference in worker safety. However, AI is not without its potential hazards. While AI can improve worker safety, it also introduces new hazards in the workplace. It's crucial to remember that artificial intelligence, like any other technology, is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to revolutionize our lives, but but it can also introduce new risks that we must be prepared to manage. One of these risks is the unpredictability inherent in machine learning techniques. As AI systems learn and adapt, they can sometimes behave in ways that are difficult to predict. This unpredictability can lead to confusion, misunderstandings, and even accidents, especially when humans and AI systems must work together closely. Cybersecurity is another significant concern. As we integrate AI into our workplaces, we're also increasing our exposure to cyber threats. Hackers could potentially exploit weaknesses in AI systems, leading to data breaches or even taking control of AI-controlled machinery. This could lead to significant harm, both in terms of information security and physical safety. Then, there are the psychosocial risks. AI can bring about changes in work structure, leading to increased monitoring and potential micromanagement. This can create a stressful work environment, leading to decreased job satisfaction and increased risk of mental health issues. Furthermore, algorithms might unintentionally or intentionally mimic undesirable human biases, leading to unfair treatment or discrimination. Lastly, let's not forget the physical danger posed by human-robot interactions. As we increase the use of robots and other AI-controlled machinery in our workplaces, the risk of accidents such as human-robot collisions also increases. This is a real and present danger that needs to be carefully managed to ensure the safety of all workers. These hazards remind us that while AI can greatly improve safety, it also presents new challenges that we must be prepared to face. As we continue to embrace AI, it's essential that we remain vigilant, taking proactive steps to mitigate these risks and ensure that the benefits of AI are not overshadowed by the potential hazards. So, how can we benefit from AI while managing these potential hazards? Well, the key lies in effective hazard controls. Implementing such measures as cybersecurity, communication and transparency, and even restrictions on collaborative robots, is crucial in ensuring worker safety. Let's start with cybersecurity. As AI becomes more integrated into our workplaces, it's inevitable that we'll encounter new threats. Cybersecurity measures are our first line of defense against these potential hazards, ensuring the integrity of our systems and safeguarding sensitive information. This is not just about installing the latest antivirus software or setting up firewalls. It's about creating a culture of security where everyone understands the importance of protecting data and the potential consequences if we fail to do so. Next, let's talk about communication and transparency. AI systems can sometimes be complex and inscrutable, and this can lead to uncertainty and mistrust among workers. By being transparent about how AI is being used, what data is being collected, and how decisions are being made, we can alleviate these concerns. Open, honest communication also fosters a sense of ownership and involvement among workers, making them more likely to engage positively with AI systems. Finally, we should consider the role of collaborative robots, or cobots. These machines are designed to work alongside humans, often in close proximity, and this can lead to safety concerns. By implementing sensible limitations on cobots, such as restricting their speed or force, or designing them to stop if a human gets too close, we can greatly reduce the risk of accidents. In essence, managing the risks of AI in the workplace is about taking a proactive, considered approach. It's about understanding the potential hazards and putting in place measures to mitigate them, while also making sure that workers are informed, involved, and protected. By implementing these controls, we can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its potential risks. Let's remember, the goal isn't to eliminate AI from our workplaces, but to use it in a way that enhances our productivity, safety, and overall well-being. With these considerations in mind, what does the future hold for AI and worker safety? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, it's clear that artificial intelligence will continue to play a significant role in worker safety. Potential advances in AI hold tremendous promise for further improving workplace conditions and safeguarding the well-being of employees. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots handle not just repetitive tasks, but also those that pose severe physical risks, such as handling hazardous materials or working in extreme conditions. This would eliminate the human exposure to such dangers, significantly reducing the risk of injuries and health issues. Further, advancements in predictive analytics could provide even greater insights into potential hazards, predicting conditions like fatigue or repetitive strain injuries before they become serious. By identifying these risks early, we can intervene more quickly, preventing harm and improving overall worker health. Moreover, the marriage of AI and virtual reality could revolutionize safety training programs. Through immersive experiences, workers could learn how to navigate and respond to hazardous situations without ever being in real danger. This method would enhance the understanding and retention of safety procedures, leading to safer workplaces. However, as we move towards this AI-integrated future, it's crucial to remember the potential hazards. Ongoing research and development are of utmost importance to mitigate these risks. Unpredictable behavior from machine learning techniques, cybersecurity threats, and the psychosocial impacts of AI on work organization are all areas that require careful study and management. We must also ensure transparency and open communication with workers about how AI is used in their workplace and how their data is handled. This not only fosters trust, but also helps in managing the psychosocial effects of AI. Lastly, we can't overlook the need for regulations and guidelines to manage the physical hazards of AI, such as human-robot collisions and ergonomic risks. Ensuring the safe coexistence of humans and AI in the workplace is paramount. The future of AI and worker safety is promising, but it requires careful management and constant vigilance to ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks.